How cosmetic dentistry can help you improve your smile. Cosmetic dentistry is both artistry and science. It solves various cardinal teeth issues that you can't take for granted. Cosmetic dentistry can do everything right from making your teeth a few shades lighter to repairing tooth decay and mending broken teeth. Top 5 cosmetic dental treatments to help you smile better. Now, let's have a look at the top 5 cosmetic dentistry treatments that will help you smile confidently. 1. Inlays and onlays. Inlays and onlays are used to treat mild to moderate tooth decay and make your teeth as new as ever. Both inlays and onlays are manufactured in a dental laboratory and the treatment might take several days to complete. They are one of the best teeth restoration methods to strengthen tooth shape and prevent it from further tooth decay. 2. Composite bonding. This is the least expensive cosmetic dentistry treatment used to repair decayed or damaged teeth. It includes clearing the teeth of any decay and filling the hollow space inside teeth with a composite bonding material. It is therefore commonly referred to as dental bonding. 3. Dental veneers. A dental veneer is a cosmetic dentistry solution which can treat more than one dental anomalies. A dental veneer is a thin sheet of ceramics applied to the front surface of your teeth. They can be used to correct minor dental misalignments, mend and hide chipped teeth, and beautify permanent deep stains in teeth. With the introduction of advanced technologies such as CEREC, the process of manufacturing of dental veneers has become faster. 4. Teeth whitening. When a permanent stain don't leave by brushing or home remedies, you can go for teeth whitening. You can get professional in-chair teeth whitening treatment at clinic, which can be done in a single appointment. You can also go for at-home teeth whitening kit and do it yourself, but it requires expert advice. 5. Dental implants. Dental implants are a teeth replacement method used for one or more missing teeth. An implant is a tiny post of titanium which is inserted into the gums or jawbone of a patient to serve as roots and support artificial teeth. For more information, do not hesitate to visit us. Our experienced dentists provide them all at Healthy Smiles Dental Group Clinic. To book an online appointment, call us on 03 9877 2035 or visit www.healthysmiles.com.au.